State Board, 7th Standard, First Term, Geography, Unit 1, Interior of the Earth. Evaluation. Choose the correct answer. First one. Knife is made up of dash. Answer is nickel and ferrous. Second one. Earthquake and volcanic eruption occur near the edges of dash. Plates. Third one. The magnitude of an earthquake is measured by dash. Richter scale. Fourth one. The narrow pipe through which magma flow out is called a vent. Lava cones are dash. Mountains and accumulation. Sixth one. The top of the cone of a volcanic mountain has a depression known as the dash. Seventh one. Dash belt is known as the ring of fire. Pacific belt is known as the ring of fire. Second, fill in the blanks. First one. The core is separated from the mantle by a boundary called dash. V-chart Gutenberg discontinuity. V-chart Gutenberg discontinuity. Second one. The earthquake waves are recorded by an instrument known as dash. Seismograph. The earthquake waves are recorded by an instrument known as seismograph. Third one. Magma rises to the surface and spreads over the vast area is known as lava. Magma rises the surface and spreads over the vast area is known as lava. Fourth one. An example for active volcano dash. An example for active volcano St. Helens in USA. Fifth one. Seismography is the study of dash. Seismography is the study of earthquake. Third one. Circle the odd one. First one. Crust, magma, core, mantle. Which one is the odd one? Magma is the odd one. Second one. Focus, epicenter, vent, seismic waves. Here seismic waves is the odd one. Third one. Uttarkasi, Chamoli, Koina, Krakota. Which one is the odd one? Krakota is the odd one. And fourth one. Lava, caldera, silica, crater. Silica is the odd one. And fifth one. Stromboli, Helens, Hawley, Fujiyama. Which one is the odd one? Fujiyama is the odd one. Fourth, match the following. Earthquake, sudden movement. Sima, silica and magnesium. Pacific ring of fire. World volcanoes. Tsunami, Japanese term. Mount Kenya, Africa. Fifth one. Consider the following statements and tick the appropriate answer. Ascertain. That structure of the earth may be compared to that of an apple. Reason. The interior of the earth consists of crust, mantle and core. The answer is A and R are correct and A explains R. This is the correct answer. So A is the correct answer. Second one. Ascertain. The Pacific Ocean includes 2/3 of the world's volcanoes. Reason. The boundary along the eastern and western coast areas of the Pacific Ocean is known as the Pacific Ring of Fire. A and R are correct and A explains R. That is the correct answer. So A is the correct answer. Sixth one. Answer in a word. First one. Name the outermost layer of the earth. The outermost layer of the earth is crust. What is Sial? Sial means silicon and aluminium. Name the movements of the earth lithospheric plates. The movement of the earth lithospheric plates are tectonic plates. Give an example of extinct volcano. There are 3 examples. One example is Mount Kenya of Africa. Roman letter 7. Answer the following briefly. First question. What is mantle? Answer is, the layer beneath the crust is called the mantle. The mantle is about 2,900 km thick. It is divided into two parts. The upper mantle extends down to 700 km. The lower mantle extends from 700 to 2,900 km. Second question. Write note on the core of the earth.
Ready.
Second question answer is, the innermost layer of the earth is called the core. It is also known as barosphere. It is separated from the mantle by a boundary called Weizsäcker-Gutenberg discontinuity. The core is also divided into two parts. The outer core, which is rich in iron, is in liquid state. Second one, the inner core, composed of nickel and ferrous, is solid in state. The center core has very high temperature and pressure. Third question, define earthquake. Answer is, a sudden movement of a portion of the earth's crust which produces a shaking of trembling is known as an earthquake. Fourth question is, what is a seismograph? The earthquake waves are recorded by an instrument known as seismograph. Fifth one, what is a volcano? Answer is, a volcano is a vent or an opening in the earth crust through which hot magma erupts from deep below the surface. The opening is usually circular in form. Name the three types of volcanoes based on the shape. Answer is, on the basis of shape, there are three types of volcanoes. They are shield volcano, cinder cone volcano, composite volcano.
This video is useful. Subscribe, share and write your comments. Thank you.